Hi friends, today we will discuss about an intraday strategy. The intraday open is equal to high and open is equal to low trading strategy. I hope you are all heard about this strategy. Okay, first things, where to find the stocks list. This information provided by lots of websites in after market opening. Okay, if we check some or search in Google, we got this information after 9:15. It's very simple, no? So open is equal to low, or open is equal to high. I will explain with the candlesticks idea. Suppose it's a candle I will fill with this. Okay. This is open is equal to low means when a candle open at 9:15, the opening price equal to the low price of the stocks same. Suppose this candle is red now. Sorry, it's blue. Open is equal to low. Means the stock will open at 100 rupees. That is the low of the candle after finishing this candle, say 5 minutes or whatever it is, 5 minutes or 1 minute or 15 minutes. This is called open is equal to low. Open is equal to low means it is a bullish candle. Okay. Then open is equal to high. How can we? Similarly, the exact opposite of open is equal to high. This candle is open at a price of 100. Then the price move downwards. 100 equal to, here it's open is equal to high. It's open is equal to high. Open is open at 100 rupees. Its high is also 100. So this is a bearish candle. If open is equal to low is equal to bullish candle, so we can take initiate buy here. Open is equal to high. If open is equal to high, we can go for sell. We are using some other tools also used for the confirmation of the entry. Okay. So where we find these stocks, it is simply search on Google. High is equal to low or low is equal to open is equal to low and open is equal to high. Some stocks URLs I will post here. I will also post on the comment description. Okay. This is chart of 11th May 2021. Open is equal to low and open is equal to high stock list. Here is Apollo Hospital is open is equal to high. So to go for a short. These are the stocks open is equal to low. So we can go for a buy initiative. So what's the condition? The open is equal to low, go for buy. I already explained here. Open is equal to low, we can go for buy. The condition, the tools are used is the central pivot range, CPR, pivot points, then VWAP. What are the condition? The stock should be opened inside or trade above CPR. Only take entry, take above CPR. What are the condition? Open is equal to buy if the stock is open inside the CPR or above the CPR. This is the CPR. I hope you all know about CPR. Some video I already posted here regarding the CPR things. If the stock is open inside CPR, inside CPR, or it's or this is CPR. The stock is opened above CPR. This open is equal to low. This is open is equal to low. There is no wicks on downside. There is no wicks on downside. This is called open is equal to low. What are the conditions? This is, and the stock will be open inside the CPR or above the CPR. Only take entry above CPR only. CPR act as a strong support and resistance. You all know about that. I hope you all know about that. CPR act as a strong support and resistance. The CPR act as a strong resistance, and this is pivot points. This is the top CPR and the bottom CPR. Bottom CPR. There is a support and resistance for this pivot. This is called what we say CPR. CPR act as a strong support and also strong resistance. Okay. Resistance. The condition for option is equal to low. We can go for buy. The condition is the stock should be inside or above the CPR. Only we take entry above CPR. Similarly, the open is equal to high. Go for sell. Open is similarly exactly opposite of the open is equal to low. If open is equal to high, we go for a sell. Tools are used CPR, pivots, VWAP. The condition, the stock should be traded inside or below CPR. We can take only entry below CPR only. Open is equal to high. Open is equal to high means this is CPR. So the stock will be open is equal to high. There is no wicks on the upside. You can take entry below CPR only. We can take entry below CPR. Only we can also consider the VWAP also. Volume weighted average price. I think you are all familiar with the VWAP. We can go for some live example. So open is really high, go for sell. It's where your target for buy, next resistance or trail, go for sell. Actually, we'll take an entry, the exact resistance. You can take entry here. Say example, you can take entry here. The next resistance is here, R1. And the next resistance is equal to R2. You can take entry here. Our first target is R1. Or then we can trail here. You can go for R2. Otherwise, you can exit at R1 or trail your stop loss. Okay. Then back testing. This is the sum of the sites. We got the information. Open is high, open is low scanners are available. This also some other sites. This also some other sites. Then we can go for a live testing, live demo. So this is yesterday's open is equal to low, open is equal to high. The open is equal to low, open is equal to low. Since we can check for Castrol India. Okay, this is Castrol Industries. First we confirm whether the open is equal to high or open is equal to low is correct or not. In this chart, it shows opening. Here you can check here. This open is 126.45, low is 126.25. A slight difference. We can check on Castrol Industries. Here we see open is equal to low 126.20, 126.20. First we clarify these are correct or not. In the chart, in this Saroda chart, it's not correct. This is open 126, 126.45 and 126.25, but in price it's 126.20, low 126.20. Both are same. Otherwise, you can go for trading view chart, check with whether it's correct or not. We can check here. 126 open is 126.50, 126.50. There is lot of difference are there. So here we can go for Castrol Industries. This open is equal to exactly low. This is a bullish candlesticks. Then I also add the CPR, VWAP and volume chart. This all the 5 minutes candle. This is a CPR. This is a CPR. CPR. We can go for buy only. It will make a high of 127.70 until 9.25. Then it will down 126.80. Then it will take exact support at CPR again. So this is a VWAP line. We can take entry above the VWAP line only after finishing a 5 minute candle, bullish candle. You can take entry above this candle only. Then we can go up to our first target is next R2. Here is a resistance is here R1. Safe players are take entry just above the resistance line. So 127.80, then 128.80 is the first target. Next target is 130, then 131. This is the scenario. Okay. Then we can go for Reliance. First we check whether the Reliance is wrong. Reliance is wrong now, wrong data. Open is equal to high. Okay, then Castrol India, then Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital, I can go for Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital also is wrong data on Saroda. Then we can check whether this is wrong. In trading view, it's correct. Open is equal to high. 3271, check here. 3271.90, 3271.90. Okay. Remove drawings. First we add the CPR, VWAP and volume chart. This is exactly open inside CPR. We don't take entry because there is a VWAP line is here. This is surely for short. One of the first 5 minute candle is close below the VWAP. Then a sharp fall up to this 3230, then 3202. This is a support. The safe flyers can take entry only below this S1. Our first target is S1. Okay. So what are the conditions for short? For short entry only below the CPR and the VWAP. You can check once more. One more stocks. Bharat Forge. We can take INFI, no problem. INFI. First we confirm whether its open is high or in INFI it's the wrong data. You can check with INFI. It's a wrong data. Well, it's correct data. Open is high na. Yes. Here it's not correct. Open is high, so we can go for. Otherwise, we can check with the NS India sites. Okay, here is a wrong data. Then Tech Mahindra. Yes. Tech Mahindra is a perfect. Open is equal to high. Yes, we can check on here also. Open is equal to high. Go for short. Then here we can take entry. That's the point. Open is equal to high. This is a long candle. Then the candle below the VWAP. We can take short below below this line is good for, because after finishing this candle only we can take entry below this line. We can keep stop loss here. Stop loss entry. Okay. So what are the advantage of this? Open is high, open is low. So there is thousands of stocks traded on NSE and BSE. So what we are doing? How can we find the stocks? If you are a good trader, you have some analysis or anything. It can be. This also is a good idea to shortlist the stocks. Open is high or open is low. It's depending the Nifty status also. No, during the Tech Mahindra, if you are not take the profit, at least this S2, there is a bullish reversal candlesticks here, and then reverse and hit our stop loss. Yes, it hits our stop loss. The exact entry and take profit is a must on this strategy. So you can backtest and find the proper solutions with your tools, with your analysis. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Join with us on Telegram and YouTube, the Malayali Trader. Thank you.